Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, Maths and Fun with Poonam ma'am. Hope you have revised yesterday's topic. What was that topic? Multiplication using fractions, right? So what all things we have learned? We have learned addition of fraction, subtraction of fractions using like subtraction, multiplication of fractions, and in today's session we are going to learn division in fractions. So if you have normal numbers, whole number or natural numbers, you can easily divide. For example, if I talk about you have to divide 12 by 4, you can easily divide 12 upon 4 or 12 by 4, it's the same thing. And when you will divide it, what you will get? 4 threes are 12. When it comes to 2 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2, then it is a question mark. है ना? Now you have two fraction numbers. You do not have whole or natural numbers. You have fraction numbers. Now, how to use division in fraction numbers? This is what I'm going to teach you today. So let's begin the session. Okay? So, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. If you want to go to your first floor, you need to take your staircase or lift. ठीक है? अभी हम बात करते हैं staircase की. Till that time, one by one, you will not use your staircase. You cannot reach to floor 1. है ना? So, like that, if you want to learn division in fractions, आपका जो first step है, that would be learning reciprocal word. Reciprocal word is the first step of division. क्या होता है ये reciprocal? What is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means opposite. What opposite? Let's understand with the help of an example. Okay? So for example, I have a fraction number 5 upon 4. Okay? In division, it will become reciprocal. Reciprocal मतलब उल्टा. I'm talking about उल्टा. I'm talking about opposite. Okay? So, reciprocal of 5 upon 4 is ulta means ऊपर नीचे कर दे. Now 4 will go up in the numerator, 5 will come down in the denominator. So in division, when you will solve, you have to write opposite of 5 upon 4, which will be the reciprocal. Then only you can solve division. Okay. So let's start. Let's begin the session by doing the next example first. 9 upon 5. So, what is the reciprocal of 9 upon 5? Is? Yes, I can hear you. 5 upon 9. If it is 2 upon 1. 1 is understood, na? It is invisible, but it is always there in the denominator. Reciprocal of 2. Either it will be called 2 or 2 upon 1. 1 we do not write. It is understood that in every whole number or a fraction number, every whole number or a natural number is a fraction number. So 2 is there, but it is invisible. If you want to put, that is completely your wish. So reciprocal of 2 upon 1 will be 1 up and 2 down. So it is opposite of it. That's why we call it reciprocal means opposite. So we have learned our first step. Now we can easily learn division using fractions. So let's begin with question number 1. I have a fraction number 2 upon 4 divided by 6 upon 5. Okay? 6 upon 5. Now, who will begin the opposite of fraction number? Who will get this opportunity? ये right किसको है कि वो reciprocal हो जाए? This fraction will get this right or this fraction will get this right? Actually, this right will be given to the VIP fraction member. और VIP कौन है? जो पहली सीट पर बैठा है, जो आपका first fraction है. Right? Your first fraction is a VIP member. He has an importance. So, he has got a privilege to be reciprocal. ये privilege बस इसी को मिला है, इससे नहीं मिला है. So this is the way you can remember this point. 2 upon 4 will come. See the first step. 2 upon 4 will be as it is. And reciprocal की बात हो रही है ना, तो ये सब कुछ reciprocal होगा. This whole side. What will be the opposite of division? Opposite of addition? Subtraction. Opposite of subtraction? Addition. Opposite of multiplication? Division. And opposite of division? I can hear you. Yes. Yes, it is multiplication. So, reciprocal of sign also. इसका भी उल्टा आएगा. Reciprocal of division will be multiplication. And R means reciprocal of 6 upon 5 will be 5 upon 6. तो क्या ये कल जो हमने सीखा था multiplication of fractions कुछ कुछ वैसा नहीं बन गया? And that तो you know very well how to solve. है ना? मतलब बिल्कुल difficult नहीं है. Only you need to learn your first step where you have to write the reciprocal of your first fraction number. याद कैसे रखेंगे? ये जो आपका first fraction है वो है आपका VIP member. Okay? So your right side fraction number is the VIP member. So you can write the reciprocal of it along with the sign. Sign is of division, ulta of division or opposite of division, or reciprocal of division sign is multiplication, and reciprocal of 6 upon 5 will be 5 upon 6. अभी ऐसा कुछ कुछ आपको दिमाग में आ रहा होगा कि इसका भी reciprocal लिखना है क्या? Never ever. Do not touch this fraction number. Only first right fraction will be the reciprocal. Second वाले को touch नहीं करना है. Please remember. Only first fraction number will come in the reciprocal form. This one will not be touched at all. This and this. तो याद रखें, divide बन गया multiply and 6 upon 5 will become 5 upon 6. What will be the next step? Now, simple I am telling. House को कर दो थोड़ा सा बड़ा. दोनों friends को साथ साथ बुला लेते हैं. 2 multiply by 5. Denominator friends will also come and sit together. 2 5 will become 10. 4 6 are will become 24. तो अभी what should be the next step? कुछ कुछ याद आ रहा है? 10 upon 24. So they both are even number and they both are divisible with their highest common friend. कौन है वो? वो कौन सा table है? In which they both come together. Think, it is the table of 2. So if you divide it by 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 12s are 24 and this is our answer. So this is first question. Like that, as you know, we do minimum 2 or 3 questions of the same concept so that you can understand completely. So I am taking here one more example. So now I am taking part B. This time I am having 3 upon 9 divided by 15 upon 6. Okay, I framed a question for you. So first step, 3 upon 9 will come as it is. Division का opposite or reciprocal is multiply and reciprocal of 15 upon 6 is 6 upon 15. My question is ready to be solved. So let's multiply. Okay, I'm just doing rest of the part here as there is less space. 3 and 6 will come together. Here, I did not tell you cancelling here because I want you to go on a straight path, learn first in a simple way, then we will use different tricks, okay? And house will be bigger and 9 and 15 will come together, right? Now, 3 6 are 18 and 15 9s are, what is 15 9s are? 135. 18 upon 135. Now, numbers are little bigger. Class 4 and 5 children can easily solve it, right? आप यहाँ पर क्या कर सकते हैं? Divisibility rules लगाकर भी check कर सकते हैं, जैसा कि हम अभी लगा रहे हैं. Because earlier you must have done your multiples and factors chapter where you have learned finding highest common factor. I will also come on that chapter ठीक है, but initially I've started taking classes from fractions only because these chapters will be coming in your final examination. So I thought let's start with the last chapters. Okay, so 18 upon 135, if I use divisibility rule here, 5 plus 3 plus 1 will be 9, 9 and 18. 8 plus 1, 9. That means if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, complete numbers are divisible by 9. So can we do in that type? Of course, yes. So we will divide it with their highest common factor. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फ्रेंड भी बोलती हूं मैं इसे. ये वो नंबर होता है जिसके टेबल में ये दोनों आते हैं और उसके बाद ऑल टुगेदर ये किसी टेबल में नहीं आते. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल. सो HCF ऑफ 18 and 135 is 9. Okay, so 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. 135 को जब आप 9 से डिवाइड करोगे, जैसे हमने 15 9 जा किया था, 135 आया था, तो जब डिवाइड करा 15 केम. So now this is my answer. Isn't it simple? Yes, it is very simple. So this is how we use division concept in fractions. So I want my children to do some more questions from your book exercise of fractions and learn this concept by heart and soul. So that's it for today's session. We will meet in our next video where we will be learning more concept using fractions. Till the time, bye-bye.